everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves immersing in music or podcasts, but gets annoyed by noisy surroundings, tired of headphones that hurt your ears after long wear, or have short battery life, then get excited because today we're tuning into audio bliss. It's the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphone. These wireless cans have world-class noise cancelling, up to 24 hours of battery, and plush cushions for all-day comfort. Grab them on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want crystal clear sound with customizable EQ and seamless Bluetooth connectivity for calls or commutes, these are the headphones that'll make every listen feel like a private concert. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why they're a QuietComfort must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphone. These are over-ear wireless headphones with active noise cancelling that blocks out distractions using microphones to detect and counter external sounds. Adjustable in 3 modes: quiet for max cancellation, aware for transparency, and immersion for full focus. They have 40mm drivers for rich, balanced audio with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. And the Bose Music app lets you tweak the EQ with presets or custom settings for your favorite genres. Battery life is up to 24 hours with ANC on, or 30 hours off with a quick 15-minute charge, giving you 2.5 hours of playtime via USB-C cable. Bluetooth 5.1 ensures stable connections up to 30 feet with multipoint pairing for switching between 2 devices like your phone and laptop. The plush protein leather ear cushions and padded headband provide pressure-relieving comfort for extended wear, and they fold flat for easy storage in the included carry case. Built-in mics with noise-rejecting algorithms make calls clear even in windy conditions, and touch controls on the ear cups handle volume, tracks, calls, and voice assistants like Siri or Google. Priced around $199, they're lightweight at 8.5 ounces and come in colours like black, white smoke, or cypress green for a stylish look. Versatility is a standout. Use them for focus work with ANC blocking office noise, long flights with comfortable fit and battery, or workouts with sweat resistance. They're great for commuters, travellers, or anyone needing premium audio on the go. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are sounding strong. Exceptional noise cancelling for immersive listening, long 24-hour battery with quick charging for all-day use, comfortable plush design that doesn't cause fatigue, customizable sound with app EQ for personalized audio, and clear call quality with reliable Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Users love how they disappear background noise like traffic or chatter, the balanced sound that suits all music types, and the lightweight build that's comfy for hours. They're reliable, high quality, and elevate everyday listening. On the con side, the 8.5-ounce weight might feel noticeable during very long sessions. No spatial audio support for 3D sound experiences. The app is required for full customization, which some find basic. And some note the ANC can create slight pressure in ears, though most say it's minimal and adjustable. Overall, pros dominate for audio enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphone if you prioritize comfort and noise cancelling. And the pros like battery life, sound quality, and call clarity make sense for you. They're ideal for commuters, travelers, or music lovers wanting premium wireless audio without the hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your audio pumping, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with an audio buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.